It's super simple. The first thing you have to do is type your text. So you can go and hit the T key, or you can just hit T on your keyboard and it's going to let you add text. So just click anywhere and type what you want to type. Because we are making a WAP tutorial, I'm going to type WAP and then hit the move key, and now you can move the font wherever you want to keep it. I'm keeping it in the center. So Control T is going to let you transform. Right click and go to warp. But now you can see that you aren't able to warp it. That's because it's still a text, it's not a smart object. So go to your layer where it says warp, right click, and then go convert to smart object. So convert to smart object. Now your font is a smart object. So now if you go Control T, it's going to let you transform, right click, go to warp, and now you can pull the vertices and you can actually warp the text. Look at how cool that is. It's super simple. It's a really fun tutorial. I wanted to show you guys in case you guys were having problems warping your text in Photoshop. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe. A lot more cool tutorials coming your way. I will see you guys in the next one.